Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 82, evaluate division. And I can say that this is one of my favorite questions because the effort this question took from me to solve this is quite a lot, and I have to watch videos couple of time to actually understand this question and do the solution. But at the end this question is done, and believe me, see this solution, it's quite a big solution, and I would say that this solution is the optimal and precisely written solution. If you like pay attention, there's a class called pair which is separately created, and there's a DFS going on, and this is like graph is created, basically adjacency list, and here's graph is created, then this is the solution. So more or the less this is a good question and good solution. And this is the time complexity 98.9% best, so not the optimal but good to be accepted. Thank you for watching the videos, and I already said that this graph question are comparatively tough, but really very fun to do type of questions. So thank you for watching the videos, and I will keep doing the questions of graph and posting the videos.